Hey traders, ever wonder how traders grow small accounts into something serious, like turning $5,000 into $25,000? It's not luck or a secret formula. It's a structured plan that combines risk management, consistency, and smart compounding. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to grow your account safely and effectively without gambling it away on one bad trade. So hit that like button, subscribe, and let's build this plan together. Before we touch charts or trades, let's talk about mindset. Growing a $5,000 account starts with thinking like a pro trader, not a gambler. You're not trying to double your money overnight. You're compounding steadily. The goal isn't big wins, it's consistent returns. If you can grow your account 5 to 10% per month, you're on track to hit that $25,000 target within a realistic timeline. Remember, discipline, excitement. Every successful trader starts by mastering patience. Here's the golden rule. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your account on any single trade. With a $5,000 account, that means risking only $50 to $100 per trade. It might sound small, but it's how you stay alive. If you lose 5 trades in a row, you're still in the game and ready for the next opportunity. Focus on setups that offer at least a 2 to 1 reward to risk ratio. If you risk $100, aim to make $200. That math compounds faster than you think. Now, what should you trade? Stick to liquid, predictable assets like large cap stocks, ETFs, or major options plays. Use tools like VWAP, moving averages, especially the 200 MA, and volume profile to identify strong entries. Look for clean trends and avoid choppy markets. You can also use AI-powered trading insights or newsletters like the one from ITeachStocks.com to find daily setups with high probability. The idea is to trade less, but trade smarter. Here's where the magic happens. Compounding. Every time your account grows by 10 to 15%, slightly increase your position size while keeping your risk percentage the same. For example, when you hit $7,500, your 2% risk per trade becomes $150 instead of $100. That's how exponential growth kicks in. Also, withdraw profits strategically. Take out 10 to 20% of gains once a month to reward yourself and keep your emotions balanced. Use trading journals or AI-assisted analysis tools to track your performance. Review what works and what doesn't. Join a mastermind or trading community to stay accountable and learn from others scaling accounts successfully. So, what's your growth goal this year? Drop it in the comments below. $10,000, $25,000, $100,000, let's hear it. And if you're serious about scaling your trading results, make sure to grab your free trading checklist and AI-powered setups at ITeachStocks.com. Smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for weekly strategies that actually help you grow your trading account the smart way. Let's turn that $5,000 into $25,000 the right way. Money Graph.